close. Why are they coming up to me?
Oh my god. Together with a red panda. Oh my god.
Looking for lunch.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is E for EvaTV, and today we are at the Cotswolds Wildlife Park, and check out this, that brand new baby rhino. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Yeah? What we got? Oh, lovely.
Oh, there's two there.
That's alright, I don't mind having two.
I have one.
Rhinos are off. What do you reckon that rhino's name is?
TT.
What is it?
ET.
E.T.
Yeah.
E.T.
Yeah, there is another baby. It looks like it's wearing a suit. It doesn't look like it's his actual clothes. There's a dog in disguise.
The thing is, you don't know it's a baby unless you compare it to the other one.
Actually think that there's another baby rhino.
Look, there's another really tiny one.
Oh my god, Jess, they're so funny.
Oh my gosh, they're getting so close. Why are they coming up to me?
Oh my god. Together with a red panda. Oh my god.
Looking for lunch.
Oh my god. It's recognised your family. I love their food. I want to stand like directly next to one just to see the height.
Hello.
I think you've got to dress that leopard print, ain't you, Eva? I think it can see your hat and it's thinking that you're family.
It absolutely does.
Yeah, 76. No, they're painted horses, Jack.
Yeah. Yeah, I think he recognises your hat, Eva.
Yeah. If you want to take it off, you won't. Is there any
Oh my god!
Oh my!
I can't open my camera. Oh my god.
Yeah, be careful.
Look, too close.
No, I'm okay. I'm okay now.
Did you get a photo of that?
Yeah.
Oh my god. I could have cried.
He knows how to play the audience, doesn't he?
Penguin Island. What do you reckon, Eva?
Yeah, it does have like
But not like a straight zebra.
Because it's a baby. It's this is what's on the back there, like, oh. Mama,
I don't know why, she loves capybaras.
capybara.
Yeah, let's do your nose. You've got pictures. Zebra.